Autods Product Research Tutorial. Autods is a platform that you can use to enhance your dropshipping business. With Autods, you can get started for $1 as they offer a 14-day trial period. So you can either go onto autods.com and you could tap on Start Dropshipping, or you could create a Shopify account directly by going onto shopify.com or using the link that I'll be leaving in the description. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you're going to tap on Add Apps from the left-hand menu option. Then you're going to select Shopify App Store. After selecting Shopify App Store, I want you to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you're going to type in Autods. Once on this page, you're going to select Autods and you can see that it is a highly rated app, and you're just going to tap on Install. After you have installed the app, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, all you'll need to do now, you can choose to add products, but since this tutorial is about product research, the first thing you're going to do, you can select Marketplace, then you could select the country that you would like it to be shipped to, so I'll leave it at United States. Then you can select the countries that you would like it to be shipped from. So let's say United States, and you can select multiple countries. After doing that, you could tap on supplier and you could choose the supplier Autods suppliers. You can also choose AliExpress, and if you would like to buy it from any other supplier, you can select the suppliers right there. You can also choose the price range by tapping on price range, whether you like it to be under $5, $5 to $15, $15 to $30, or over $100. After you have selected your price range, you can now select the category. You can leave it at all categories, or you could be more specific, for example, toys and hobbies, and you can see the recommended products right there. Or if you were to change it to home and garden, and then you can see the recommended products. And since I'm doing this tutorial right before Halloween, this is a good recommendation, as you can see right there. Or you could get more specific and you could search for a product by title right here, or you could type in the product description. And you can also go over to the right hand menu option and you could tap on best sellers and you could filter it even further, or you could select fast shipping. So let's say we were to select fast shipping, and you will see the products that has the quickest shipping rate on it, as you can see right there. Now let's say you were to like this product right here and you would like to import it to your store. You could tap on import draft. After you have selected import draft, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you could tap on drafts and you can see the product right there. And now you'll tap on import and it will automatically be added to your store. Now to continue with our product research, if we were to tap on Marketplace once more in the top left hand corner, you can also select handpicked products. After doing that, these are some handpicked products by the Autods staff, or experts better yet, and you can see right here you'll need to go onto a further paid plan, which would cost $6.99. But there are a few examples that you can quickly look at. So let's say, for example, this one, you can see that this product was listed 4 months ago. And if you were to tap on the analytics, then select more info, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to view the amount of engagement it was getting, the target audience. You can also scroll down and you will see examples of Facebook ads, and you'll also see examples of TikTok ads. And you can scroll down and you'll be able to see different competitors. So you can tap on it and you'll be able to view their page. And by scrolling down, you can also see different recommendations. If it is a case that you like the product, you could tap on import draft to add it to your store. And by scrolling back up, you can also view the product details and you can also view the specifications. Keep in mind, you can also search for the product on different platforms. So if you would like to view it on Amazon, you could tap on Amazon and you'll be able to see the Amazon listing for that particular product, as you can see right there. Or if you would like to, for example, view it on AliExpress, you could select AliExpress and you can see similar products or the same product right there. So that's how you'll be able to use their handpicked feature. You can also use their Ad Spy feature by tapping on Ad Spy, and again you will need to upgrade your plan to use this feature, which will allow you to spy on other persons that are running ads on TikTok and Facebook. You can also use their trending products feature to see when a product is trending. So if you're a person that runs a general store or so on, and you would like to see the different trending products, this would be a good idea for you. And that's it when it comes onto product research and Autods. Once you have added your products, if you are to go back into your Shopify store, go over to the top left hand corner and select products. You can see the product that you have added. So for example, you can see the product right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.